Get your VR and XR environment set up ready in minutes from your Aisuru installation. This is the manual of a new type of gear. We need to check out if all the informations are inside the agent. On the web view, we select our agent, Sasha from the sales team, and look for the answer we need. Here it is. The manual is already inside the Aisuru system. Let me guide you to a quick configuration.
Now let's create a room so we can try to interact with Sasha.
You need to insert a name and a description. The room creation tool is quick and easy.
Then you choose a cover for the room so you can find more easily on the system.
Now upload a GLB model of the room you created. Just anything you want. You will get a preview of the ambient you are creating in our web configurator in real time. And add an agent with a custom model, animations, whatever you need for your XR showcase. You choose the agent from the Aisuru server. In this case, we click on Custom GLB and upload our custom animated model. We choose the animations from our model, so all the answer will be contextualized. Then we position the model on the scene, so we can interact with Sasha in the virtual world. And that's it. Done. Let's try, shall we? Open the Aisuru app on your VR headset of choice. Select Sasha from the Whist menu and place in the real world. You have some options to match the light of your room with the 3D models and other features to hide UX informations. Now, what about, do you have the Shrinker manual?
Yes, here is the Shrinker manual.
It's working. Now we can test this on the field. Follow me at the co-working. We will pretend to be in a sales meeting.
What are we looking at today?
Today we're presenting the H-Series gearbox.
Can I see how it works inside?
Let's go inside. Let me show you how the roller bearings rotate inside the housing. This is where the magic happens. The inner ring spins freely while the outer ring stays fixed. And these precision balls distribute the load evenly, reducing friction to a minimum.
What is made of?
cast iron body double seal. These are the roller bearings.
How long does it last?
Certified lifespan of 10,000 hours. Would you like the full technical specs?
I'd like to know more.
I'll pass your details to our sales team. They'll get back to you within 24 hours. Now let's get a coffee, shall we?